Hello, this is John with Garfield Heights Coin Club, and I'm posting a video, this video actually, on the Coin Clubs Helping Coin Clubs Facebook group. This group is for club officers, past and present, anywhere in the world. If you want to share ideas, if you're having questions, looking for answers, wanting to help out, please consider joining this group. You need to search Coin Clubs Helping Coin Clubs in your search bar on Facebook. For some reason, it doesn't appear on the top. You have to scroll down. Eventually, you'll see this symbol or this logo, the two shaking hands, and petition to join the group. It is a closed group. It is not open to the public. This video really is to show you guys how to utilize CoinZip club meetings on your website. This is our website. This is GarfieldHeightsCoinClub.com. Some people out there, or some clubs rather, don't have a website. Even if you don't have a website, this is still good information, so bear with me. What you can see on our calendar page, we have both Ohio coin shows and coin shows this week that appear all across the United States. Now here in this little tab, it's easy to miss. Coin shows is what's currently being displayed. And secondly, coin meetings. Now, coin meetings, this is, again, we have set this to show only Ohio. And the only ones that appear is the Penn, Ohio Wooden Money Collector meeting and the Garfield Heights Coin Club meeting. So there are a lot of clubs in Ohio that are not using this. What you need to do is you need to go to coinzip.com. This is the premier website when it comes to everything coin shows, coin dealers, coin auctions, coin clubs, and club meetings. So register. After you complete the registration process, go to Coin Clubs. And for coin clubs, you're going to add your coin club. Now, just because you've entered your coin club does not mean you guys necessarily meet every day. You also have to go back and click on club meetings. Go and add your club meetings, and you could add, numerous months and even years if you know how far in the future you guys are going to meet. It was easy for us because we meet on the third Wednesday of every month, and when you set that up, it is pretty easy. Now, if you're watching this video and you're not a club officer, just a little side note, you can find a coin show near you. You can find dealers out there, auctions. You can find a club near you or meetings. Take a look at all of these club meetings out there, the dates. You want to get more information, you just click and it'll take you straight to their website, their logo, the location, a contact, phone number, to the website, directions, Facebook, email them, etc., etc., and a little description down below. Absolutely great way to share your club's information. So finally, what you would do is what we did. You would take your RSS feed. If you do have a website, you'd follow these instructions, and then you'd go and establish however you want to set this up, what state you're in. Maybe you don't like this design. There's different ways of doing it, but this is how we've done it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys can consider using CoinZip and make sure your club's meetings are listed so you get more people coming. Thanks again, guys. See you in the next video. This is John with Garfield Heights Coin Club, and if you haven't checked out our YouTube channel, you'll see we've got a lot of videos in general, a lot of good information, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.